Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up with PartnerStack for SaaS affiliate programs, detailed guide step by step clearly. To get started with PartnerStack for SaaS affiliate programs, visit the PartnerStack website. Create an account by clicking the sign up button. Fill out the required information, including your email address and password. Verify your email address through the link sent to your inbox. Once verified, log in to your PartnerStack account. Navigate to the dashboard to access your account features. Click on the Programs section to explore available affiliate programs. Search for the SaaS product you wish to promote using the search bar. Select the desired program to learn more about its details. Review the commission structure and payment terms provided in the program overview. Once satisfied, click the Join Program button to apply. Fill in any additional details required for your application. Submit your application and wait for approval from the program manager. Once approved, you will receive a confirmation email. Return to the dashboard and click on the newly joined program. Here, you will find unique affiliate links and promotional materials. Copy your affiliate link to share on your channels. Explore the marketing resources available, like banners and email templates. To track performance, navigate to the Reports section in your dashboard. Monitor clicks, conversions, and commissions to gauge your success. Adjust your strategy based on the insights gained from the reports. Engage with the PartnerStack community for tips and best practices. Continuously promote your chosen SaaS products through various marketing efforts. Stay updated on any program changes or new promotional materials provided. This completes your setup with PartnerStack for SaaS affiliate programs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.